challenges.
Udong ay ketien ke Sorkar MDA2 uba apol Lyngdoh ane kesngi ulaong baga Sorkar kelala ban kenjo e maujam bakongsan hagani ke Snem beledem ki bedai ban yo jingjaro. Haba kentho baka jing traikam jong ke Sorkar MDA2 ke long ke babaha uba apol haba keren lo ke mang tingka balawan ra du min fidang ba ulaong baga Sorkar ke don Iaka jing temu ban la ban kenjo ya ke thong ban pelong ya ke yo ke kot Meghalaya ke bekot Iaka $10 billion. Ulah keren ru sepang ki program berper baka Sorkar ke lapan traikam kum ka CM Elevate ke MGMP bat kiwe ki program hakatnat kam jungokai.
The performance of this MDA2 has been phenomenal. As you can see from the budget presented by the Chief Minister, we have a very ambitious program of action, and we intend that by the end of the tenure of this government, Meghalaya would be a $10 billion economy. The CM Elevate program has taken off in a huge manner. Arts and culture, which was always considered a minor department, today has been able to establish a Preet Singh Library at Dhaka, the Tagore Cultural Complex here at Shillong, and several other activities. The tourism department is busy on a daily basis. You have the MGMP, which organizes shows and engages roughly around 3,000 youngsters. We have about 15,000 people directly and indirectly engaged by the tourism sector. So these are major milestones, and in a single year for this to happen is certainly worth